Hi, I'm Sam, and I chose the Mariana Trench for my project here. And this is just a little cross sketch that I chose to show. It has a lot of information. It's kind of hard to read all of it, but it's basically the Pacific Plate versus the Mariana Plate. This graphic I chose was to help kind of orient where on Earth this trench is located. It is the deepest place on the planet, like in the ocean. It's over 11,000 meters below sea level. And it's hard to see, but there's a little spot in there that they call Challenger Deep, and that is the deepest part of the trench that has been, I believe that they've explored, sent people down to study. All right, so this graphic is really showing the convergence of these two plates, the Mariana Plate and the Pacific Plate. The Pacific Plate is much bigger, it's more dense, it's older, and so when it came up against the Mariana Plate, they're heading towards each other, and kind of like butting heads. The Pacific Plate, being heavier, goes underneath, called subducting, the subduction zone. It subducts under the Mariana Plate, and that's how the trench itself was formed. As I said before, and this is showing, which direction the plates are moving in towards each other. And the Mariana Plate being lighter, less dense, more buoyant, that's, staying up top. And the Pacific Plate is the one that's subducting underneath, causing this huge ocean trench. This is just some more information about how the Mariana Trench was formed, which is exactly how I just said. Other features related to the trench, and this kind of goes into the next slide as well. This other graphic that I'm showing here is just volcanic activity. It's very, very heavy with volcanic activity because of that large Pacific Plate subducting down underneath the Mariana Plate into the asthenosphere. It's causing a lot of volcanoes. They started as underwater volcanoes, and through all of the years, that magma that has erupted has become islands who now host their own volcanoes. Other geologic disasters related, obviously, other than just volcanoes, are earthquakes, some of which have been very severe, and then tsunamis because of those earthquakes happening. This is just my source page, and this last graphic is just a pretty graphic from an ocean trench. Thank you.